This is the flag of Namibia. This is the political map of Namibia. You can see it is bordered by South Africa, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Angola and Zambia. Tropic of Capricorn crosses this country. And here we know we have the famous Namib and Kalahari Desert. The capital city you can see is Windhoek. We are now on a tour to explore Africa, mainly covering Namib and Kalahari Desert and the 4 countries. Keep tracking all my coming videos to enjoy the African desert and wildlife safaris. We are now in Calcutta International Airport. We are leaving for Africa. We are going to see 4 countries there: Namibia, Botswana, Zambia and Zimbabwe. So this is Kolkata International Airport. This is Mumbai International Airport, from where we'll take Ethiopian Airlines and fly to Windhoek, that is the capital of Namibia. In transit now. We just now landed in Addis Ababa, capital of Ethiopia. So we'll now have a transfer for Windhoek in Namibia. Our transit in Addis Ababa International Airport in Ethiopia. From here, we'll take our flight to Windhoek, Ethiopian Airlines. Now it is 7:35 a.m. here. Finally, we reached Windhoek. We will now get down from the aircraft. Windhoek is the social, economic, political and cultural center of the country, Namibia. Nearly every Namibian national enterprise, governmental body, educational and cultural institution has its headquarters here. We have to walk to the main terminal building where we have to do our immigration and baggage collection. This is number 1 telecom company of Namibia. This is Hosea Kutako International Airport. We just landed in Namibia. This is outside the airport. This is our car who came for pickup. So we'll go to the hotel now. This is outside the airport. We are driving to the hotel now. It's around 40 kilometers from the airport. So you can see the roads are beautiful, and on the both sides there are short shrub-like trees, and our coachman said you can sometimes spot animals on both sides. Windhoek City developed rapidly after Jonker Afrikaner, captain of the Orlam, settled here in 1840 and built a stone church for his community. We have entered Windhoek. This portion is called Klein Windhoek, and this is the police station. And Klein means small because this town had a German influence, we know. And the main Windhoek is far away, and our coachman just now said that in olden days from main Windhoek to Klein Windhoek it would take 3 hours and you have to come by coach. So now we are passing Klein Windhoek and later we'll enter the main Windhoek portion. In Windhoek, we booked this apartment. So we stayed in this apartment. The security guard, Chinmada. This is our apartment in Namibia, Windhoek, and this is our kitchen. So cooking is going on. This is Molaida. This is
Today we are making egg curry, soup, then rice.
Fantastic. So this is our drawing room with TV. This is the apartment. The toilet is here. Next day morning, we set out for a walking tour of Windhoek City. This is just outside our apartment. Temperature is around 12 degrees centigrade. Beautiful paintings are drawn on the walls. This is a wall painting near Tal Street. This is Namib Craft Center, from where you can buy all types of souvenirs. That is the entrance of the Crafts Museum. This is the statue of a baboon, nicely placed on the footpath. This is Independence Avenue, one of the main roads of Namibia. Here we can see the Hotel Hilton. That house is Ministry of Defense of Namibia. Nice garden out here at the crossing of the Independence Avenue. In the decades following, multiple wars and armed hostilities resulted in the neglect and destruction of the new settlement. We are now in a walking tour in the city of Windhoek. We can see on the board the City Museum is on the right and the Christchurch Kids the Parliament building all on the left. So we are on the top of a hill. This is Windhoek City Museum, one of the main tourist spots of Windhoek. Windhoek was founded a second time in 1890 by Imperial German Army Major Kurt von Francois when the territory was colonized by the German Empire. These are the names of Windhoek during different periods. So these are pre-colonial era. This was a washing machine in olden days. It was a jar and that was the lantern. These were the telephones used during those periods. This was the camera. So this was the old fort which the Germans built first. And this was the Tintin Palace, which now became the current parliament. These two structures we'll see. This was a weighing machine, you can see. This was an old music system kept in the museum. This is a sewing machine. This is a machine for water conservation. This is the picture of the Elizabeth House and this is Turn Hall. Both are important houses of Windhoek. This is a fireman. These are exhibitions in the museum. These were old musical instruments. These were local wines and lanterns used in the olden days. I'm Bob. We are blogging for Bob Das. Let's Go Around the World. We are now in the city of Windhoek. we are now here in this position. This is Windhoek Museum. So we go along this Robert Mugabe Avenue and see all the different spots in Windhoek. So this will be the Independence Square. We'll see the Elizabeth House. We'll see the Tintene Plus, the Parliament. And then we proceed and finally go to the Rail Museum. And then we come along the Independence Avenue and then go back to our hotel. So we are now in a walking tour in Windhoek, the capital of Namibia. Thank you very much. That was the Windhoek Museum we just now saw. Now we'll proceed further via Robert Mugabe Avenue to explore the next part of Windhoek City. Please see my following videos to see the rest part of the beautiful Windhoek City. After seeing my videos, please do like, share and comment, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel.